Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be showing you how to fix a leak in the shower. So this, as you can see, is a handheld shower which has started to leak from the hose where the shower head joins to the hose pipe. So before we start, put down a towel to soak up any water, and also I'm going to put this jug down as well to catch any spillages. So let me turn on the shower to show you exactly where the leak is coming from. And as you can see, the water is leaking from the top end of the hose, between the top of the hose there and the head of the shower. But to replace the hose pipe, you would also need to remove the hose from both ends. So a wrench would come in handy to remove it from here. And as you can see, this has already been removed from the marks and scratches that you can see there. So to prevent this, just use a rag when unscrewing the hose from this end where it connects to the shower unit on the wall. Don't forget to turn off the water and electric when you do this. So I'm not going to bother unscrewing the other end of the shower unit, as that already has a new washer that was put in recently, and as you can see there's no leaks coming from that end, so we can leave that alone. So I'm going to unscrew the shower head from the hose, and there you should find a rubber washer. If it's cracked or hardened, you'll need to replace it. And as you can see there, the blue washer needs replacing basically. If you have hard water, soak all the components in a container of white vinegar for at least 6 to 10 hours to soften any hard water deposits clinging to the metal. Rinse well under running water. So I'm going to insert a new rubber washer inside there, and I'm going to also leave the old washer in there to make it more stronger. So I'm going to double up on that, double up on the washer to make it watertight and gently fasten together. So let's test it out. So let me turn the shower on. Yep, not bad, definitely better than before. Just a slight drip there coming out. So what I'm going to do is unscrew the shower head again, and this time I'm going to turn the blue washer the other way round and screw it back together again. So let's try it this time. This isn't the original hose, it's a universal hose which fits okay, but the genuine parts would fit perfectly. So it's always best to get original shower head and hose to the manufacturer, as sometimes different shower heads don't fit properly. So that's just a tip there. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and leave any comments below if you got any. And don't forget to click on that notification bell to be notified of my next video. Okay, just one last thing to do, and that is to take a shower.